Hi, my name is Omar Akar and I'm the Regional Vice President at Pure Storage for Central East Europe, Turkey, CIS, Middle East and Africa. Great. So first of all, it's great to be here with you today. And of course, Pure Storage as a company, we're a very data-centric organization. We strongly believe that data is the most valuable asset in any organization. In fact, there's a lot of saying that data is the new oil, which is very true, by the way. Data is fundamental for organizations to succeed moving forward. And that's why we've built our solutions around data. As a company, we've emerged to be a leader for data storage solutions. We have invented the concept of all-flash and direct flash, which has revolutionized the world of storage. Of course, since then, we've basically succeeded in building the unified platform for data. And that is something that was highlighted and emphasized in the Gartner Magic Quadrant, whether for primary storage or even for file and object. And the concept of the unified platform is to allow organizations to consolidate data, but most importantly, to ensure real-time access to data at any point in time, and to provide all the necessary data services to serve the AI down to archive application landscape. So we've been very successful in providing this unified platform capability. If you look at all the third-party analysts, they're emphasizing on the importance of moving into a service or an SLA-driven infrastructure, because customers want to buy outcomes. They don't want to manage complexity. They want to be able to subscribe for SLAs the way they do it on a public cloud. They want to have a cloud operating model anywhere, which will increase their agility as they move forward. Pure has been pioneering the SLA-driven infrastructure since many years. We're not providing here a financial model. We are actually providing a cloud-like experience from all angles and all perspectives, starting with the ability to automate the provisioning of storage and infrastructure, providing the real as-a-code experience that you see on cloud, managing classes of data services and storage instead of managing platforms, up to the broadest portfolio of SLA commitments that we offer to our customers, spanning performance, availability, sustainability, even how to help customers improve and enhance their security posture by providing them with SLA commitments around data protection and cyber protection in specific. Well, Pure as a service, SLA-driven infrastructure is basically becoming the de facto standard to consume storage moving forward and infrastructure. And it's applicable across different market segments. We've done lots of successful engagements, number one with service providers, for example. And we're signing in GITEX multiple MOUs with key service providers, solutions by SDC in Saudi, Oman Data Park, and many others. And why is it popular over there? Because service providers are delivering SLAs. They're delivering an as-a-service model to their customers, and they're looking for ways to offload that risk and complexity on vendors. They want vendors to support them to provide the SLA-driven infrastructure and make it easy for them to construct their service offering. But we're seeing this becoming very popular everywhere. We have lots of engagements in the financial sector, with the cloud-first policies that we've witnessed over the past 1 or 2 years, whether in UAE, in all the core countries, in Saudi Arabia. Lots of institutions, government institutions, financial sector institutions, and service providers are trying to adopt an SLA-driven infrastructure. And it is actually part of their strategy to enable a distributed multi-cloud environment. Because moving forward, telcos, banks, and any institution want to have the ability to broker a service anywhere. They will broker a service at the edge. They will broker it within the data center. They want also to take the advantage of capitalizing on the advanced technology that exists on hyperscaler cloud. So again, first of all, it is a pay-as-you-go model. When you look at storage, and we've done an assessment on arrays that we have worldwide, tens of thousands of arrays, And when we've looked over there, we've noticed that the average utilization on systems are ranging between 55 to 60%. And that is because people usually, or organizations usually are buying more than what they're actually consuming. And that's for multiple reasons, right? And when you move into a pay-as-you-go model, you're actually paying for what you're actually consuming. And that will have a significant impact on the total cost of ownership from one hand. From another hand, sizing for capacity, performance, availability, building the architecture to sustain and maintain those SLAs is another hefty engagement that usually operation team are undertaking today. Being able to offload those tasks on a vendor that is guaranteeing the SLA commitments frees up their time to spend more on innovation and on transformation. So it offers a lot of flexibility. It simplifies the day-to-day operation of your data infrastructure and it optimizes your costs significantly moving forward because you're paying for what you're actually utilizing. Well, today the most known trends and common trends that we've witnessed, especially over the past few years, is basically enabling a cloud operating model and investing on future technologies such as AI and machine learning, right? Investing on cloud gives agility, flexibility to broker digital services anywhere. And that's exactly what we're trying to bring to our customers with the SLA-driven infrastructure anywhere. We're helping them adopt a cloud operating model spanning the entire distributed architecture from edge to core to cloud. On the other hand, we've witnessed that AI is becoming a hype, and we've discussed that multiple times before. AI is not a relatively new concept. It emerged really in the 1950s, but what made AI a reality is the technology innovation and advancement, the ability to deliver on the requirements of artificial intelligence. And when it comes to AI, there are two important pillars that organizations need to focus on. First of all is to define the solution, the use case that will help them transform the business. That is why as Pure, we've invested in, for example, companies like Lending AI that is revolutionizing the world of computer vision by providing domain-specific LVMs that can help customers adopt models that are trained on industry-specific data to help them transform the business. But at the same time, AI without a proper data strategy will not yield to any beneficial outcomes. And that is why it is a necessity for customers to build a very strong data strategy as they adopt artificial intelligence. And the data strategy will guarantee the easy access to data, the data governance, the data filtering, making sure that you're feeding your AI models with data that will yield to proper outcomes.